Well, this is just a quick video. I thought this was kind of amusing. I thought, I'll change the oil in this thing. There you go, I got the oil and filter. It's just Valvoline 20W50. It was on special, so that's why we bought it. Ryco Z9 filter. And there's things that people do which always amuse me quite significantly, and that is how lazy people can be. Because laziness is the only explanation. This, if it's ever going to focus, this is a sump plug out of this Falcon. Now, I'm going to get a bird's eye view maybe. Keep the camera still. The white grey stuff is silicon. It's silastic or whatever you want to call it. So, you can just see how flat this sump plug washer is. Like, this sump plug washer is going to have to be like pried off with a screwdriver, or prized off I should say, and cut off with side cutters. Like this is just ridiculous. How many times does a sump plug washer have to be reused to get to that state? I mean, like, have a look at it. It's just, I just can't fathom why people do that. You can see the outline of the hex. Like, and number 2, this was over tightened. Like, the idea of a sump plug washer is it's all soft. The best material's copper, the second best is aluminium, and the worst is fibre. And, well, the very last material you should make it out of nylon, which is even worse because they tend to crack if you tighten them too much. But this is just, if you're going to change oil in an engine, and this was done by a mechanic, this wasn't done by a home gamer, just get a new sump plug washer. They're less than $1. Oil's expensive, and oil just leaks out if you don't replace this. You could do what this person did and use silicon. Why the hell would you use silicon? I don't know. Why would you bother servicing the car if that's what you're going to do? So, don't be a tightwad. When you buy a filter, get into the habit of buying a sump plug washer. And if you run out, go down the road and get one. If you had to walk from my house, it's, you know, maybe a 30-minute walk if you're really slow, a 25-minute walk if you're average speed. I mean, what's so hard about that? Anyway, this is just the crap I keep seeing on cars. Lazy people that just can't be bothered doing a half decent quality of work. So don't be lazy. Go get a sump plug washer.